Have you observed that in the present modern times, we hear a lot of young people getting affected by cancer, heart attack, diabetes, blood pressure, etc. etc. Research has pointed out that one of the major causes of this is due to the indirect consumption of pesticide, chemical infected food. So you all agree that health is wealth. Resultantly, this situation has given birth to unique organics. The objectivities of unique organics can be summed up as under: chemical-free or non-toxic food, guaranteed rice price for farmers, and employment for women. The vision behind unique organics is to serve natural, non-chemical and non-toxic food for the citizens of India and never compromise on quality. As this slow poison is going into the stomach leading to various diseases, Unique Organics is focusing on 3 products: pure desi cow ghee, jaggery and oil. Brahmamurt Vedic cow ghee is prepared at 3:30 am in the morning. Ayurveda believes that consuming 1 teaspoonful of this ghee builds human immunity and prevents many diseases. Applying this ghee at the bottom of the feet helps in controlling diabetes. We have 3 types of chemical-free jaggery: jaggery slab, jaggery cubes and jaggery powder. 40 to 70% of the oil in the market contains palm oil, which is a major health concern as it is heated up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in the guise of double filter and triple filter, while as unique organic oil is cold wooden pressed so as to retain maximum nutritional values. If you want to keep yourself and your family healthy, please use our unique organic products. For more details, our contact number is 7686 949494. If you want to have more information, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website.